With the SociCake white label upgrade, you can upload your own custom logo and colors. Use your very own custom domain. Use a ready-made website for you to sell the SociCake traffic bundle under your brand. Use our ready-made email swipes included. You even get your very own animated sales video. Plus done for you Facebook ads. Full PayPal integration and automated login delivery. Yeah, Whitelabel FAQs. Can I rebrand SociCake as my own? Yes, we encourage you to do that. You can put your own logo, your own training, and your own support link and sell SociCake as your own. What price points can I sell at? At any point of time the price should be equal to or higher than $30. You can't sell it at a price lower than that. What is the earliest I can start selling? The earliest you can start selling is on February 8, 2019. That's also when your white label dashboard will be activated. Can I refund my FE and OTO purchases after purchasing white label? No, absolutely not. To be eligible to hold a white label license, you should be a current user of the Atlas FE. Only after purchasing that you are eligible to purchase the white label offer. What marketing materials do I get with this? You get the sales page, sales videos, as well as the other assets for marketing. We do recommend that you edit these to ensure they are branded to you. How many clients can I sell this to? As many as your license permits and you can stack. You are not allowed to launch this on Zhu or ClickBank or any other marketplace. However, you are allowed to run FB ads or drive email traffic to your sales pages. What will my client get through this access? Your client will get the FE version of SociCake. If you have access to the Pro, they will also have access to it. Can I give away a license or offer it as a bonus? No, you can't give it away or offer it as a bonus. You only have rights to sell it. Here's a quick recap. Of course, you're also covered by our rock-solid, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied at any time during the first 30 days after your purchase, just open a support ticket, tell us you want a refund, and that's it. We won't ask why, and we won't try to trick you into changing your mind. No questions asked means no questions asked.